Let's jump straight into how you can check who has been logging into your Stripe account and make sure everything is completely secure. First, open up your web browser, log into your Stripe dashboard, and head to the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Settings gear icon. This brings up your full settings layout, and you want to look under the section labeled Account Settings. Right there in the middle, you will find an option called Team and Security. Click on that. By default, this page might open up to your team overview, so you need to look at the top menu tabs and click directly on Security History. This section is essentially a complete audit trail of your account. It shows you a detailed table containing the exact email address used, the specific category of the action, a unique device ID, the full IP address, and the precise timestamp of when the event happened. You can use the filter buttons at the top to sort by specific dates, IP addresses, or actions if you are hunting for something specific. Now, the important thing to keep in mind is to look closely for unrecognized information. Check if there are any unfamiliar IP addresses, strange device IDs, or logins happening at times when you were definitely asleep. If you notice multiple failed login attempts or access from unusual geographic locations, that is a major red flag. If you do spot any unauthorized access, you need to protect yourself immediately. Back out of this menu and head over to your personal details to change your account password right away. Make sure you have two-step authentication toggled on so nobody can get in with just your password. If you use developer tools, you should also roll your API keys and review your developer logs for suspicious activity. If things look really compromised, do not hesitate to reach out to Stripe support for assistance.